Hello and welcome to the last break of the Christmas day. Make sure you like and subscribe so you get more updates on other cards when we get them. Let's open NBA hoops to start.
What year?
22-23.
So who are we hunting for?
Apollo and other rookies. I can't think of it. Evan Mobley. Donnie Finney-Smith, Drew Eubanks, David Rudy, rookie, and a green Joe Harris. Giannis Antetokounmpo, Trey Murphy III, Josh Hart, Mark Williams, and a Kelly Oubre green. On to the AFL.
What sort of pack we got there?
3 packs in and a special card.
What year?
22. We got a bang! Tom Green for the Giants. What's this? Isn't that the back? Darcy Vesio. Oliver
Laurent.
Yeah. Jeremy Cameron, Josh Kennedy, and a purple Bailey Fritsch. Tom McDonald, David Mundy, Xavier Dersma, and I don't know what this is.
The checklist.
Yeah.
Nothing worth sleeving from that pack.
Yeah, nothing. Jack Silvani, Daniel Rich, Dion Prestia, Tex, Zach Bailey, Jack Steele, Luke Daviuniak, Brittany, and then James Warple. Last one. Nothing really good from this, from Select. I prefer Team Coach, but hopefully if Select gets something good here, there may be a Select break. Oh my god. Come on, be something good. Dane Rampy, Nick Voston, Andrew Gaff, Alec Anderson, Brandon Ellis, Corey Sturman, Luke Bruce, Clayton Oliver, and Zach Butters. Nothing really good there. We got some cricket cards. Can you open it? These cricket cards are hard to open. I'll try the other one. I got this one. Sure. Get some scissors. Give them to Dad. Gurinder Cinder, Alex Carey, Nick Larkey, Matthew Wade, Courtney Seppel, and Megan Shute. What's this? Team of the tournament, not numbered. And Cameron Green, Meg Lanning, Cameron Green, and Patty Cummins. Ray's McCull, Rue Johnson, Jordan Silk, Sophie Mullocks, Ashton Agar, what's this? Elisa Healy, International Series. Healy scored 54 and completed her 3 stumpings.
Numbered?
Nah. Wait, it's 29 out of 32. But I don't think that's numbered. And we got a Mitch Marsh.
Still a nice card.
Gaza. Bethy. And Sean Abbott. Okay, that's the Christmas break today. Hope you liked all the cards. Make sure you watch the first video to the last video and have a good time. That's me out for today. Like and subscribe.